is homemade kombucha okay on keto? It has less sugar than store-bought, and the health benefits are amazing. Great question. Actually, homemade kombucha can be very good on keto. However, you want to make sure that you're brewing it until you have enough of the sugar out, which it sounds like you already know what you're doing. The best way to test, of course, is with your glucometer. I really messed that word up. Glucometer. So testing your blood sugars before and then after.
Hey, I'm like if you have a Keto Mojo, which is the device we use to test blood sugar and ketone bodies in the blood, I would that morning or that, sometime in the morning, I would test my ketones just to know where I was at for the day, right? Let's say it was 1.5. And now I'm going to test this kombucha, right? I'm going to drink some, and then I'm going to test my blood sugar 20 minutes, 40 minutes, and 60 minutes and see how fast it climbs, if it climbs at all. And then maybe again at 90 minutes and again at 120 minutes. Because some things have a delayed effect, right? So if you get through that 2 hours of testing where you've tested maybe 5 or 6 times of your blood glucose and you don't see a significant rise, and by significant rise, I'm thinking like, over 10. Like if you saw a shot of 40 or 50 higher, like, oh, my blood went from 90 to 130, that's a significant change in blood glucose. You don't want to be active during that time. You want to be very sedentary because you don't want to.
Because exercise will increase your blood glucose.
So when you're testing, you need to be like, okay, I'm going to test. I'm going to sit here and do this. I'm going to watch a TV show or something like that. And just test every 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and find out what that kombucha is doing.
Because there's not a flat answer.
Right, unless you are sending off your own homebrewed kombucha to a lab to have it tested.
To find out how much residual sugar is in there. Know. Yeah.
But, like you said, fermented foods like that have great health benefits.
We really like sauerkraut.
Right. Oh, yeah. But, on the other side, some people, like people that have SIBO, like fermented foods can actually make harmful. That worse, right? So take everything with a grain of salt. Right?
Yeah.